Hi, my name is Hugh Mclisky. I'm the production supervisor at Rosehill Asphalt Plant. The opportunities that Downer has given me to develop my career include personal opportunities. I've also been able to work on my ability to work within a team and build relationships within a team. Initially, I came to Downer as a part-time thing. It wasn't really my career goal to be part of an asphalt production team. Over the span of a few months, Downer's been able to change my whole career path and focus it towards the asphalt production. I have 8 members of staff that report to me. Each of these members of staff cover each aspect of asphalt production. For me, it hasn't been one single person that's influenced my career. It's the whole team at Downer that have each had their own impact on my experience while working at Downer.